Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off Windows Welcome Experience for all users on your Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Settings. Best match, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select Notifications. And scroll down, and where it says offer suggestions on how I can set up my device, as well as get tips and suggestions when I use Windows, uncheck those options there. On Windows 10, it will likely say show me the Windows welcome experience after updates. Also, occasionally when I sign in to highlight what's new and suggested, you just would unselect that option in Windows 10. Again, that would be underneath notifications as well, notifications and actions, I believe. And then once you're done with that, you just would close out of here. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.